Guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we're going to be taking a look at some clearance items, and I'm going to tell you all how you can get these items for up to 85% off. So, before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video, and while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor, hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel, and then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so first up, just a quick friendly reminder that I have already uploaded several other DG videos for you all this week. We have run deals, we have new glitches, we have overages, we have money makers, we have a clearance event coming up, plus we have new clearance markdowns and a penny list for this week. So if you've missed out on any of those videos, make sure that you go and check them out. I'm going to have them all listed and linked for you in the pinned comment down below. All right, now jumping right into this video, like I said, we are going to be going over some clearance categories. Now, these categories are currently sitting at 70% off, but like I said, we do have a clearance event coming up. So during the clearance event, starting this Friday, these items will be 85% off. So they're going to be an additional 50% off of their already clearanced price. Now, if you are curious as to what other categories will be included in this clearance event, make sure that you go back and check out the video that I uploaded on Sunday. Now, when I uploaded Sunday's video, I wasn't really excited about this clearance event, but since we have had all of these new clearance markdowns that have dropped down to 70% off, I'm pretty excited because the majority of these items will be less than $1 each. So let's go ahead and take a look at a couple of different categories. First up, we're going to go over our back to school stationery category. Like I said, this one dropped down to 70% off yesterday on Tuesday, October the 17th. So for this category, you want to be on the lookout for these display boxes right here. A lot of these items can be found in those. First up, we have the fractions whiteboard. We also have a telling time whiteboard. And then we also have a few different wipe clean books. So we have the printing practice wipe clean workbook. We also have the addition wipe clean workbook. And then we have this little schoolhouse wipe clean play set. Then we have a couple of different Crayola coloring books. We have the Alpha Pets. And then we also have the Spidey Amazing Friends coloring book. Now, we also have some Sharpies that are included in this category. Different colors are included. We have the Papermate Ever Strong pencil pack with the eraser. Next up, we have our Papermate 2-count mechanical profile pencils. Then we also have our Bic Color Cues pens and our pencils. Both of those are a 10-count. And then we have some Zebra pens and pencils as well. Here we have the stainless steel ballpoint pen. And then we also have the Zebra gel pen. And last but certainly not least, we have the Zebra Sarasa 8-count gel pens. All right, guys, up next, we're going to take a look at our back to school hardware category. This one also dropped down to 70% off yesterday on Tuesday, October the 17th. Now, in yesterday's video, I told you all that I was going to run out and find all the visuals for us, and I did just that. And honestly, I wasn't too excited about it beforehand, but now that I know exactly what's included, I'm really, really excited about this category. These are already sitting at great prices. And like I said, starting on Friday, they're going to be 85% off, which means, again, a lot of these items will be less than $1 each. Now, like I said, your girl did a lot of running around yesterday. I found every visual for us except for one. So please don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. It really does help me out. All right, guys, let's go ahead and take a look at these items. Up first, we have the Pink Mace Pepper Spray. Now, these were normally $6 each. Right now, they're 70% off, so that makes them $1.80. But like I said, during this clearance event, that's going to drop them down to 90 cents each. What a great buy, and I'm already thinking ahead to Christmas time, guys. These would make great stocking stuffers, especially if you're like me and you have teenagers out there driving on the roads these days, or if you have elderly people in your family. Pepper spray is always a good gift. All right, next up, another great Christmas gift idea. We have the Lysol fan and light. Now, this is just a little desk fan, and it has a light built into the center right there. So these were normally $10. Right now, they're 70% off, so that makes them $3. But during the clearance event, they're going to be $1.50. You can't beat it. All right, next up, we have a couple of different lighters that you want to be on the lookout for. So we have the Scripto Aim and Flame Torch Utility Lighters. These were normally $5, and the UPC code is on your screen. And then we also have the Scripto Easy Squeeze Utility Lighter. Again, these are normally $5. UPC code is on your screen. All right, up next we have duct tape included in this category. Now, here's the little display box that I found at my store, so be on the lookout for those. Look high, look low, look everywhere you go, because I did find another one on the top shelf. So here we have our ombre rainbow colored duct tape, and then we also have the blue marbled colored duct tape. Both of these were normally priced at $4.25. Right now, they are currently priced at $1.28 each. But again, starting on Friday, they're going to be an additional 50% off, so that drops them under $1 each. All right, guys, now moving right along, here are a few more items that are really going to come in handy for us during the holiday season, especially if you like to decorate. So let's take a look at all of the permastick items that are included in this category. Now, the picture that I'm showing you all on your screen is one of the display boxes that I found at my store, and I did find this on an end cap, and I also found these items mixed in with the As Seen on TV products. So hopefully that'll make it a little bit easier for you guys to find them. All right, so first up, we have the Mop and Broom Gripper 2-pack. These were normally $4. Right now, they're 70% off, so that makes them $1.20. During the clearance event, that's going to bring them down to just 60 cents each. All right, up next, we have these small white cable clips. This is a 12 count pack, and these were normally $4 each. All right, up next, we have the 12 count clear mini clips. Again, normally $4 each. And then we also have our 12 count clear cord clips. Again, normally $4 each. Now, unfortunately, on this last item, I could not find a picture of it anywhere online, in the stores, anything. But I can share with you all a few clues, and hopefully between all of us, we can come up with a picture. If you find a picture, if you find this item, please send it in to my email, which is crazycoupons1@gmail.com. So, clue number 1, this is another permastick item, so it should be in similar packaging, just like the other cable clips and holders. Clue number 2, let's take a look at the description. So we have the permastick clips and holders. Clue number 3, let's look at the price. It is currently sitting at $10.80. Now, if it is following our clearance markdowns, that means that it is currently 70% off, which would make the regular price $36. So, clue number 4, that means that this is a much, much larger item. So let's all band together and see if we can come up with a picture for this item. Again, all of my contact info is in the description box and the pinned comment. All right, guys, so that's going to be it for me for now, but I'm definitely a lot more excited about this clearance event now that we have some new items to be on the lookout for, and we have new clearance markdowns. So you guys let me know what your thoughts are down in the comment section below. And of course, before you go, don't forget to do all the things, hit the thumbs up, and leave me a smile. All right, guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a beautiful day, and I will see you on the next one.